Let's look at this particular drawing. They are saying to us, the figure shows two primary views of the pulley assembly. Then they say draw to scale 1:1 and inverse angle of the graphic projection. Detailed drawing of the following. Now we are going to be looking at only item number 1, right? The frame of item number 1 showing the following views. They want us to draw a half sectional front view with the left half in section, and they wanted us to draw the top view. Now let's draw that. Start with the base. So we'll start with the front view. That is 120. Half of it, 60. Okay. I see there's a thickness there somewhere at the end here. The thickness here is 12. There's a 12 there. Okay. And then the frames is, okay, so 60. From the center, we're going to measure 30, 30. So 30 this side, we're going to measure 30 this side. Okay. And then the height, they're talking about 36 to the center. There's 6 to the center. And then they're talking about 24 from the center. Right. How thick are those? So we will say 60 minus 38 is going to be 11 on each side. 11 on each side. So I looked at the top view and I said 60 minus the 32. Is it 32? 38, sorry. Yeah. 60 minus 38. That gives me 22. 22, if I half it, it's going to give me 11. So 10, 11 is there, this side 7, 11 is there. Right. I think we're done with our frame. Now, because we're on the front view, they said on the half sectional front view with the left half sectioned. Okay, so what I was just doing here is outline some construction lines. Right, now I need to get, let's see, there's a hole there. What is the size of that hole there? It is a diameter of 16, that means it's 8 on both sides. Diameter of 16, that means it's 8. So if this is my 0, I'm using 10 as my 0. So 8 is going to be there. And on this side, 8 is going to be there. Didn't measure it. This side I measured right, but this side is here. Okay. So just want to draw a long line there and a long line. Right, now let's darken. Let's darken so that we can see what we are doing. So the base here, and from here to here, from there to there, from there to there. Right. This side is going to be dotted lines. That's the center there. Solid dotted lines. Okay, now let's section 1/2. So we're going to 1/2 is going to be here. Remember section with the 45. Okay. All right. There we go. We've sectioned the front views half on the left. Then they also asked us to draw the top view. So the top view is only going to be on the outside. So let's look at the top view. So with the top view, and the gap between, I'm just going to say 20 in between it. Okay. So I'm going to start drawing from this line. What is the height of it? The height, we're talking 60. So to do 60 there, the center is 30. Right. Center line. Okay. Taking lines from the front view. Okay. And then also the thickness there. The thickness there from the top view. And then they're telling us that the thickness there is 50. Okay. So I'm just going to do this first. From the top, just going to take it down. right? And then from the center, if they say it's 50, it means it's going to be 25 as a, yeah, going to be 25 on both sides. Going to be 25 on both sides. So we're going to be there and here, and also there and there. And then, so I think this is all. I think this is all that I have from the top view. So let's just darken. Let's just darken it. Okay. Remember, we are still on item number 1. Still on item number 1. Okay. This is basically what I see from the top view. If I look at the given view, then let me just take out my center line here. Right, that's basically all that I see from the given view here. And that is it from item number 1. Maybe let's just name it item number 1. Name it item number 1. Right there. That is basically how to answer it.